everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, my name is Mosun and I record videos on faith, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. And if you're old, thank you so much for stopping by. I greatly appreciate you. Greatly appreciate you coming back and supporting me. So without wasting anybody's time, let's get into today's video. As you can see by the title, I am doing a hair review on what I have on currently. I tend to do like protective styling every other month if possible, just to give my hair some time to breathe and relax and grow. Today, I wanted to give a review of what I'm currently rocking for the next couple of weeks. So for about 2 weeks now, rocking these twists, and these are actually Samba twists made from Sensational Hair Company. These are 50 inches in length. They're really long and they're really fully. This is how the package looks like. Let me just block this on a little bit. This is how the package looks like. This is a 1B. So that's what I have on my head. They're very, very long. As you guys can see, they're very, very long. And on me, if I turn to the side, they're like, I'm sitting down, so they're like right here because it's in a ponytail. So when I let it down a little bit longer, it's like my waist side. So just to give a little overview, I cornrowed my hair in whatever form or fashion I felt like. I did mine with a little twist. I did like an all back connection here, all back connection here, and then I did all back here, braided them together, and then like did a circle in the middle, just because I wanted to be able to pull it up in a ponytail, high bun, what have you. So one thing I would say about this hair, it's lovely looking, especially for us that has 4C hair. You know how some people, you do other hairs and then they slick the edges and the baby hairs are laid and everything is laid. Like, I generally don't do laid unless I have my hair in my own ponytail. But when I do braids like this, I don't be laying my edges because they look just like my hair. What's the sense of laying the edges? So that's what I do. So I wake up in the morning, I brush my, my baby hairs so they're not knotting up like little BBs. I brush it up. As you can see, this brush is not laid. It is sprayed with water and oil, and we are good to go. Why? Because it looks just like our hair. So I think the hair is good. When you first take it out the package, it might just look a little funny because, we're so used to Senegalese twists, Marley twists, and what have you. Samba twist just looks a little funny, but they are so lightweight. When I say lightweight, I say lightweight. Like, I went to go see my doctor, my chiropractor, and she was like, oh my gosh, why did you put so much weight on your head? And I was like, child, you do not know me. I don't put weight on my head. And she lifted it up and she was like, wow, it's so light. I'm like, yeah, ain't nobody got time for that. Although it looks like certain pieces were like out of place. Let me even open it up when I say out of place, because at one point my sister was like, oh, did you cut pieces of your hair? And I was like, no, that's how it came. So like, you'll get like little pieces that looks like it was probably cut along the way, but I guess that's just how the hair just unravels. Like, if you can see, like right here, like pieces like that, that's just how the hair is. Soft for its nature. Like, it's not like your hair soft. Nothing's going to be like your hair soft because your hair's from, your scalp. But it's soft, it's very lightweight, very dainty. Literally, I just get up and go. I wet my scalp with oils and water, and I am just good to go because I don't have time to be sitting there brushing you and moisturizing you. And I do not only moisturize my scalp, but I also moisturize my hair as well. So it's been 2 weeks. This starts the 3rd week and it's still going well. I'm gonna unravel it so you guys can see. Like, it's still going well. Like, it does get a little bushy, but that's what 4C hair is all about. We come with the bush, the kinks, the coils, and everything else. So this is how it looks in the front. let me see, in the front, so it's like way past my breast onto my waist. So just imagine how the back would be. So I did like a side part and another side part, but I generally have been falling in love with this side part, so I haven't done much to like alleviate unless I do like a ponytail or whatnot. But yeah, so this is how I styled it. I kind of like parted it so that, you know, if I wanted to pack this and leave the front, just multi-way packing, you know, styling, rather multi-way styling. So this is how the hair looks. This is week 2 going on week 3, and it still looks good, as in look, oh, that's a piece of my own hair. Look at that. I got a crochet back in. But yeah, it still looks good, still looks great, lightweight. The only issue I would say is when you're taking a shower. Oh my God. Like, just to be able to pack it, put it under, like I wear my bonnet, I tie it up, and then I wear a shower head. You know, I can rotate the head. So I'm not really wetting my hair, and I am actually able to wash my back. So that's the only thing, is like going to sleep at night and taking a shower. And it's not a problem because I just tie it up, put it in a bonnet. I have a really big bonnet. It's just long. If you don't really like long hair, you know, you could try to see. I don't know, I haven't searched if Samba twist comes in shorter lengths, but this is a very lightweight, you know, hair, and I will definitely recommend it. Once again, it's made from Sensational Hair Company, and it's called Samba Twist, and this is how the packaging looks like. I know some company has it on sale right now for like Cyber Monday and Black Friday-ish, but yeah, and I plan to wear this for a month, and then I take it out and let my hair breathe. So I would definitely recommend this hair to anyone that's looking to just, you know, save time and you don't want to be doing your hair all the time. This is a great hair to use. So I hope this video helps. I hope it's time, and just try it out. Try out new things. If you've never tried hair like this, give it a shot. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you on my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.